Let me see. It's powder. Get it out my face! Put your Chris, where's our face off? Why would you do?
What's good, YC and all them gang? It's your boy YC and I'm back again with another video. So y'all just got done taking out the trash, right? So all them is upstairs in the shower right now, you feel me? I just thought of this perfect idea. Y'all know when females get out the shower, they blow dry their hair, right? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sneak in the bathroom while she in the shower and I'm gonna put hella baby powder in the blow dryer, y'all. This prank raid get crazy, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I just thought of this off the top of my head, man. Let's get it, man. Follow me, man. We gotta be real quiet. You feel me? I know y'all hear it. She upstairs in the shower right now.
1-800-378-8592 or go to SoClean.com.
Oh, yeah, she in the shower right now. Alright, so y'all, I got the blow dryer. Somehow I'm gonna have to sneak the blow dryer back in there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna sneak the blow dryer back in the bathroom. I'll be like this. I want to go all in her face. Let me wipe the blow dryer, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Man, I'm taking it. Oh. I'm gonna have to set it down a certain way so it won't come out the bed. I'm doing this to the extreme, man. I want her to look like Frosty the Snowman. Set the camera up in the bathroom. If she say what I'm doing now, and just tell her I'm looking for something, you feel me? So y'all, stay tuned, you ready to get ready. So y'all, I came downstairs to grab a water real quick, you feel me? Autumn still in the shower. And as I ain't tell y'all earlier, Autumn literally just came from the gym. I'm about to put that clip in here right now.
2020, how I'm coming. Thank you. Well, let's take it in right now while you're How you doing? I'm bringing my daughter's my gas machine.
Y'all know when she get out the shower, she gonna blow dry her hair and all that. Y'all, it's ready to go down, y'all. I'm trying to find a way to sneak the camera into the bathroom without her noticing. That's why I came downstairs, y'all. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna get this camera in the bathroom without her noticing. I'm gonna have to hurry, put it in there, go put it in. I'm gonna just see y'all we gonna get straight to the video, y'all. Stay tuned.
I'm doing that leg here. Put you on best man. You get you all my money. I'm in my bed, bitch. I'm my bed, bitch. I'm in your bed. Hey.
Yeah. I'm looking for my stuff. I can't find it.
What are you looking for?
My stuff.
Right.
My Alright, I'm looking for my stuff. Hold on. Alright, hold on. You ain't see my stuff?
Which stuff?
I'm gonna look in the other room. I'm gonna save it in the other room. You heard me? You heard me? I'm gonna save it in the other room. I just had it. Oh.
You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches will give it to you, baby. I need a nigga who wants to swipe them visas. Get the money. Need a nigga who wants to swipe them. Where the bag at, nigga, where the bag? Yeah, you like that. Don't be surprised if I ask whether he say you want a cutie with a booty. Cause I'm pulling when you say you gon' say you gon'. It's in my eyes still.
Alright, stop moving.
What type of shit is that? What is that? Baby powder?
I did a print.
What is that? What is going on out here? He put something in my eyes. He put something in my eyes. He put something in my eyes. It's still in there. For real. I'm not opening those. It's something in there. I can't see with your hands over your eyes. So y'all got that video on another print. Ma, I need to go to the hospital. Let me see. It's powder. Get it out my face! Put your Chris, where's our face off? Why would you do that? That can blind her, you know that, because it's thin. Chris, like you taking that pregnant stuff way too seriously. You started taking that pregnant stuff way too seriously. Get out my eyes, I cannot see.
Where you at? Who's your at?
The green one. Like, what's wrong with you? You're not sleeping with me tonight. And I just got out this shower. What kind of powder did you put in her eye? Like, you goofy. You real goofy. You not. Hurry up and get on my eye so I can slay the shit out you. Hurry up and get on my eye, please.
No. I can tell you, man. Oh.
put people away. What's so funny? I don't get it. I don't get the joke. I don't get the joke.
Let go, man. I do this, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. YC, man. Chain YC, man. Ain't no more Chain Autumn, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get it, man. Run them numbers up, man. I really do this, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. I know y'all remember them pranks, all them pranks she was doing on me. Now it's my turn. It's my turn, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. I does this, man. I do this, man. Let's get it, man. We out.